What is going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, we're changing your cabin air filter on a 2014 Subaru. A lot of these Subarus are done like this, so this procedure should work on most of them. Alright, check it out. It is super simple. If you go to the dealership, they're probably going to want somewhere around $50 to do this. The cost of this filter is somewhere is about $20, and it's probably going to take 5 minutes of your time. So save yourself some of that money. Alright guys, the easiest way to get to that cabin air filter, open your glove box. There's a little damper right here. Unhook that damper with your hands. There's two tabs, one on the left side and one on the right side. Get your hand, push in on the right side, pull down, go to the left side, pull in, and that glove box will come straight down and you can take it out. There's two tabs you're going to squeeze, just like that. And this thing is nasty. Look at that. I would say it was definitely time to change it. Here's your new filter. When you go to install it, you're going to see an arrow that says up. Make sure you follow the directions. It goes up and it just slides back in. Guys, it is that simple. Again, if you went to the dealership, this thing's going to cost you somewhere about $50. You can literally buy this filter probably off of Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description where you can get one at, for about $15. Save yourself a ton of money. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Catch you later.